This is a weekly test of the Emergency Alert System. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the Emergency Alert System through broadcast stations in the greater Portland-Vancouver area, including Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah and Washington counties in Oregon, and Clark County in Washington. With the cooperation of public safety broadcasters and cable operators, this system informs you of events that pose an immediate threat to your life, health, or property. If this had been an actual emergency, official information would have followed the alert tone. This test was originated by Clark Regional Emergency Services Agency in Vancouver, Washington. This concludes this test message.
This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.